Today we are going to talk about a bird which is completely different from other birds regarding its beak, and that is the woodpeckers. Woodpeckers, with their vibrant plumage and rhythmic drumming, are vital components of forest ecosystems. Their chisel-like bills excavate nesting cavities, fostering biodiversity. Their insect-rich diet contributes to pest control, aiding tree health. While foraging, they inadvertently disperse seeds, promoting forest regeneration. Woodpeckers serve as ecological barometers, their presence indicating habitat integrity. The woodcutter bird, commonly known as the woodpecker, has a fascinating evolutionary history dating back millions of years. Woodpeckers belong to the family Pisidae, which includes over 200 species worldwide. Their evolutionary origins can be traced back to the late Oligocene or early Miocene periods, around 25 to 30 million years ago. Woodcutters, also known as woodpeckers, comprise a diverse group of birds belonging to the family Pisidae. Here are some common types of woodpeckers found across different regions. Downy woodpecker, found in North America. The downy woodpecker is one of the smallest woodpecker species, characterized by its black and white plumage and relatively short bill. Hairy woodpecker, similar in appearance to the downy woodpecker, but slightly larger. The hairy woodpecker is also native to North America and shares its range with the downy. Great spotted woodpecker, common in Europe and Asia. The great spotted woodpecker is known for its distinctive black and white plumage with red markings on the lower belly of males. Northern flicker, found across North America. The northern flicker is unique among woodpeckers for its ground-feeding habits and its barred plumage, which resembles that of a large woodpecker. Pileated woodpecker, one of the largest woodpecker species in North America. The pileated woodpecker is known for its striking black and white plumage, prominent red crest, and loud, distinctive calls. Green woodpecker, common in Europe. The green woodpecker has a green back, yellow rump, and red crown in males. It is often seen foraging on the ground for ants. Black-backed woodpecker, native to North America. The black-backed woodpecker is typically found in boreal forests and is known for its black back and white underparts. Red-headed woodpecker, found in North America. The red-headed woodpecker is named for its striking red head and contrasting black and white plumage. These are just a few examples of the diverse array of woodpecker species found worldwide, each adapted to different habitats and exhibiting unique behaviors and plumage patterns. Woodpeckers, also known as woodcutters, possess several distinctive physical features that are adapted for their unique lifestyle. Here are some key physical features. Strong, chisel-like bill. Woodpeckers have long, sturdy bills that are sharply pointed and chisel-shaped. These bills are adapted for drilling into wood to search for insects, excavate nest cavities, and create drumming sounds for communication. Stiff tail feathers. Woodpeckers have stiff tail feathers that provide support and stability while they cling to tree trunks and branches. This adaptation allows them to maintain balance and leverage while drilling into wood. Strong feet with sharp claws. Woodpeckers have strong feet with 2 toes facing forward and 2 toes facing backward. This arrangement, known as zygodactyl feet, enables them to grip onto vertical surfaces with ease. Their sharp claws provide additional traction while climbing and foraging. Long, barbed tongue. Woodpeckers have long tongues that are equipped with barbs or bristles near the tip. These specialized tongues can extend far beyond the bill and are used to probe crevices in search of insects. When not in use, the tongue retracts into a groove in the skull to protect it from damage while drilling. Sturdy skull and neck muscles. Woodpeckers have thick skulls and strong neck muscles that help absorb the shock of repeated drilling motions. This adaptation protects their brains from injury caused by the high forces generated during pecking. Vibrant plumage. Woodpeckers exhibit a wide range of plumage colors and patterns, including black, white, brown, and red. Many species have bold markings such as stripes, spots, or patches, which help with camouflage and species recognition. These physical features collectively enable woodpeckers to thrive in their arboreal habitats, where they play important roles in ecosystem dynamics through foraging, cavity excavation, and communication. Woodpeckers, also referred to as woodcutters in your query, reproduce through a process similar to other bird species. Woodpeckers typically engage in courtship behaviors to attract mates. This can include displays of plumage, vocalizations, and physical interactions between males and females. Once a pair is formed, they select a suitable nesting site. Woodpeckers are cavity nesters, meaning they excavate holes in trees for nesting. Some species may also use artificial structures like wooden utility poles or nest boxes. After the nesting cavity is prepared, the female lays a clutch of eggs inside. It typically ranges from 2 to 6 eggs. Both the male and female woodpeckers take turns incubating the eggs, keeping them warm until they hatch. After the eggs hatch, both parents participate in caring for the young. They feed the chicks regurgitated food, primarily insects, and provide protection and warmth. Once the chicks have developed feathers and are strong enough, they leave the nest in a process called fledging. The parents continue to feed and care for the fledglings for a period of time until they become independent. Eventually, the young woodpeckers will disperse from their natal territory to find their own territories and mates, continuing the cycle of reproduction. The main importance of woodpeckers, often referred to colloquially as woodcutter birds, lies in their ecological contributions within forest ecosystems. Here are the key aspects of their importance. Cavity creation. Woodpeckers play a crucial role in creating cavities in trees, which serve as nesting sites for a wide range of other bird species, mammals, insects, and even reptiles. Insect control. Woodpeckers are skilled insectivores, feeding primarily on wood-boring insects such as beetles, ants, and larvae found beneath tree bark. Seed dispersal. While foraging for insects, woodpeckers inadvertently dislodge and scatter seeds from fruits and cones, contributing to seed dispersal and the regeneration of forest vegetation. Ecosystem health indicator. Woodpeckers are considered indicator species whose presence or absence can provide valuable insights into the health and integrity of forest ecosystems. Overall, woodpeckers play multifaceted roles in forest ecosystems, contributing to habitat creation, pest control, seed dispersal, soil health, and cultural heritage. Conserving woodpecker populations and their ecological importance involves implementing various strategies. Here are some key approaches to woodpecker conservation. Protecting and restoring forest habitats, particularly mature and old-growth forests with diverse tree species and age structures, is essential for woodpecker conservation. Maintaining standing dead trees, snags, and older live trees with cavities is crucial for woodpeckers and other cavity nesting species. Controlling invasive plants, animals, and pathogens that degrade forest ecosystems can help mitigate habitat loss, fragmentation, and degradation. Supporting woodpecker populations and biodiversity. Incorporating ecological considerations into forestry planning and certification standards can promote sustainable forest management practices that support woodpecker conservation. Conducting research on woodpecker ecology, population dynamics, and habitat requirements is essential for informing conservation strategies and monitoring population trends over time. Raising awareness by educational programs, outreach events, interpretive signage, and media campaigns can inform and inspire individuals, communities, and policymakers to take action to protect woodpeckers and their habitats. By integrating these approaches and engaging stakeholders at local, regional, and global scales, conservation efforts can help safeguard woodpecker populations and their ecological importance for future generations. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, share and press the bell icon to get an informative videos. Thanks for watching.